What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to test Volvo XC40 electric P8 2021 model, and we are going to test acceleration, range, we will perform noise test, and I will tell you about the driving experience. So without further ado, let's get started. Under the hood we have just about 400 horsepower, 2 electric motors on the front axle and rear axle. This is all-wheel drive vehicle, and this is, I would say, performance vehicle because 0 to 100 is within 4.9 seconds. But we will check it out. And under the hood we have also storage compartment, which is decent size for the cables and some stuff. And under the floor you have the repair kit, which is cool. Very nice, thank you very much Volvo. Acceleration 0 to 100. I don't know if there is a sport mode, so we just try as it is. Ready, steady, go! Spinning of wheels. Oh. Woo, that was fast. And this is SUV. Oh, nice. Three, two, one, go! As you can see on the graph, Volvo XC40 is basically on the same level as very powerful Jaguar I-Pace EV400 and slightly faster than Mercedes EQC, Ford Mustang Mach-E or Tesla Model Y long range. Also worth to mention that Volvo is almost 1 second faster than Audi e-tron 55, which is on the market already for some time. And now 60 to 110, rolling test, 3, 2, 1, go! Whew. Wow, very nice. Second attempt, 3, 2, 1, go! Whew. Very nice Volvo. Smile on the face, good job. Today we have 19-inch rims, 235/50 tire profile. Remember, the smaller rims, the bigger range. So we are now in the range test. Please keep in mind that this vehicle does not have a heat pump. This is the version without the heat pump, and there is also winter in Norway, so the road is kind of frozen. There is some kind of moisture on the road, and the temperature is minus 10 degrees of Celsius. And because of that we might get a slightly worse score for the range, but at the result I will tell you at the end of the test. We did exactly 100 kilometers with average speed 86 kilometers per hour. It took us 1 hour and 12 minutes. Average energy consumption is 26.5 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, which means that this vehicle in cold weather conditions without a heat pump can do around 284 kilometers on full battery. Having heat pump could do around 300 kilometers in winter, and estimated range in summer would be around 325 kilometers of real-world range. But when you master your vehicle, you will get even better result than me. I've done some research, and to WLTP range graph, I choose vehicles which have around 75 kilowatt hours battery capacity and all-wheel drive system. And as you can see on the chart, Volvo is doing pretty alright. And now it's clear where is the niche which Volvo wants to fill up. It's worth to mention that the charge port is on the right side of the vehicle. Actually it's on the left side, but it's the correct side, which means the driver's side, which let us quicker get access to the charging port. Welcome in noise test on highway. So this is 90 kilometers per hour. 100. And 110. Big thanks to Deal Boutique and Moss for lending me this vehicle. Thanks to them I could make a real world test and present the results to you guys. As it is with the electric vehicles, driving around the town is extremely easy, and especially for SUVs or crossover SUVs. There is a upright sitting position, so you can easily observe everything what is happening on the road. It is the same for Volvo. It's excellent vehicle to drive around the town. It's very easy to maneuver and to go through the uneven surfaces like the potholes, manholes, go over bumps. And I like to drive this vehicle around the town. It's super comfy and easy, and it's excellent view from the car. Sitting position is super comfy. I love this nubuck seats, nubuck material. One thing which is different than BMW has is the side shield of the seats. They are not keeping you so tight in the seat, so it's not going this way in the sport feeling. But of course, in terms of performance, it's just excellent. Reacts on the acceleration pedal so quickly. It's very responsive, agile, so I can recommend it to many people which just love performance. Infotainment system is clear and clean. It's very easy to use. If people are saying that it's too complicated, that's not my feeling. I cannot say that. So the apps are simple, easy to use. This is the Google system based on Android, I think. You have also sign recognition. So if I can say something what I don't like, for me the infotainment system is too simple, and other than that I cannot complain on anything. It's excellent vehicle, high quality, materials feel so good and so nice. And please remember that all tests we do, we just do it for fun. So me and you, we can test this vehicle and have fun. That's most important. But I always recommend, please make appointment with your dealer, try this car for yourself, and then you will get the best opinion, best feeling about the vehicle. So now we are in summary of this beautiful, lovely vehicle. What I would say, it's a very cozy, well-built, high quality and performance vehicle, and it's also very practical. Volvo provides a lot of fun to drive. We have 4.9 seconds to 100 km per hour, which is excellent. The only disadvantage at the moment is the range, I would say. But of course, if you are living in the countries when the weather is just better, a little bit better, you will get better range. And if you master the vehicle, we will also get better range. So it depends from the situation, of course. So what I would say about Volvo, delivers a lot of power, a lot of fun, excellent build quality. I would recommend this vehicle. Of course, it is also a safe vehicle with plenty of features on board, safety features. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next time. If you like this video, please consider supporting me on Patreon. A link in the description down below.